Hello friends and welcome to Northshella Wealth. I am Mahindra Rao and today in this video we will be discussing about 361 FlexiCap Fund. So before starting 361 FlexiCap Fund, let us understand what a FlexiCap Fund is all about. So FlexiCap Fund is a mutual fund category जहाँ पे आपको freedom है, flexibility है to invest across a universe of 500 stocks. As per the SEBI mandate, SEBI ने rule बनाया हुआ है कि which will be the large cap stock, a mid cap stock or a small cap stock. So large cap stocks are the top 100 stocks in the terms of market cap. 101 to 250 are the mid cap stocks in terms of market cap, and 251 to 500 are small cap stocks in terms of market cap. So a flexi cap category of a mutual fund is a category जहाँ पे a fund manager can invest across this stock universe. So ये flexibility बहुत बड़ा advantage हो जाता है fund manager को to choose a good stock at a good valuation at a good price which has a strength of growing in near future or for a longer horizon, right? So flexi cap category is very unique category, and this fund is a flexi cap fund which provides us the advantage of investing across 1 to 500 stocks. The stock universe is too huge, and the stock universe is very much feasible divided across large, mid and small cap stock. So let us understand what is 361 FlexiCap Fund. So 361 FlexiCap Fund has a different investment framework altogether. So this fund will follow a SCDV framework. What is that SCDV framework? It is a secular, cyclical, defensive and valuation oriented stocks. So secular are the stocks which has a 15% ROE year on year. So ये फंड उसी स्टॉक्स को सिलेक्ट करेंगे जिनकी रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हैज बीन 15% एंड विच हैव अ फ्यूचर ग्रोथ प्रोस्पेक्ट ऑफ 15%. सो ये सेक्युलर स्टॉक्स विल बिकम अ कोर ऑफ माय पोर्टफोलियो. ये मेरा कोर हो जाएगा पोर्टफोलियो का, ये फंड का. Then I will move towards the cyclicals. Cyclicals are aggressive in nature because a long non-performance, a prolonged period of non-performance, and a very short period of over or outperformance. Because cyclical is a very capital intensive companies जो इकोनॉमी के हिसाब से चलती है, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे उन्होंने एडवांटेज लेंगे बट थोड़ा सा टेक्टिकल एसेट एलोकेशन वहाँ पे भी रखेंगे. एंड देन दे विल ऑल्सो इन्वेस्ट इन अ डिफेंसिव कैटेगरी. डिफेंसिव इन नेचर, आपका रिटर्न्स वहाँ पे बहुत कंजर्वेटिव हो जाता है, बट अगेन जहाँ पे लो मार्केट रिटर्न्स क्रिएट होने वाले हैं, डिफेंसिव आउट परफॉर्म्स, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे भी उनकी टेक्टिकल एसेट एलोकेशन रहेगी, एंड ऑल्सो दे विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन वैल्यू कैटेगरी जहाँ पे दे आर एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई स्टॉक्स which are undervalued and which will break the barrier over a period of time in terms of valuation, so that they are able to generate decent alpha returns on that particular stock. So ये investment framework 361 FlexiCap category fund follow करता है, which is known as SCDV. If you see every fund manager, ये बहुत ही unique है. ये every fund manager follows a top-down approach while selecting a fund, security in a fund, but this fund will have a bottom-up approach. So what is a top-down approach? What is a bottom-up approach? We will discuss it in another video. But this fund house, this particular fund will follow the bottom-up approach. ये पहले स्टॉक को आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे एंड बॉटम से फिर दे विल कीप ऑन गोइंग अप एंड आइडेंटिफाइंग वेदर दिस sector is going to perform, whether the GDP is going to perform, or what is the macro environment, and then finally selecting the stock into the fund. This is a very technologically enabled process, because as you know, the 361 AMC is formerly known as IIFL Securities. They are very much driven by technology in choosing their funds in their PMS category, as well as their broking houses, and while identifying this stock for their fund, they will also be utilizing the same technology enabled processes. Also, they will be investing in a special situation if there is an IPO which is coming out, or if there is an FPO, or there is an OFS, or there is a merger and acquisition deal which is available at a liquidative price. They will invest in that special situation as well. So this is the complete investment framework of 361 FlexiCap Fund, and which makes it a very stringent process oriented fund, and one can participate into this fund because of this strong investment framework. Now if you see about the asset allocation, if any asset allocation of FlexiCap category, तो इसमें होता क्या है कि इक्विटी और इक्विटी रिलेटेड इंस्ट्रूमेंट में यू आर यू कैन इन्वेस्ट फ्रॉम मिनिमम 65% टू मैक्सिमम 100. एंड इक्विटीज में फ्लेक्सी कैप कैटेगरीज आर अलाउड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन डेरिवेटिव्स मार्केट एज वेल. This fund will be investing in preference shares, listed preference shares portfolio. जो आपका रिटर्न्स एनहांस करते हैं. इसके लिए वी विल बी क्रिएटिंग अ सेपरेट वीडियो जहाँ पे वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग हाउ अ म्यूचुअल फंड इन्वेस्ट इन अ डेरिवेटिव स्ट्रेटेजी, जहाँ पे वो इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स में, इंडेक्स ऑप्शंस में, कॉल ऑप्शंस में, डेट एंड मनी एंड रिट्स एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट ट्रस्ट इन 361 फ्लेक्सी कैप फंड. तो यहाँ पे आपका यूनिवर्स काफी ब्रॉड हो जाता है, जहाँ पे मेरे पैसे जब इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ ये फंड में, दैट विल गेट इन्वेस्टेड इन इक्विटी, डेट, रेट्स एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट ट्रस्ट एज वेल एज इक्विटी डेरिवेटिव्स. म्यूचुअल फंड्स नाउ पार्टिसिपेट इन इक्विटी डेरिवेटिव्स टू अर्न दैट एक्स्ट्रा अल्फा ऑन द हेज और अल्फा स्ट्रेटेजीज में कैसे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. इवन दे पार्टिसिपेट इन डेट डेरिवेटिव्स, ठीक है, जहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट रेट स्वैप्स, आपका इंटरेस्ट रेट फ्यूचर्स में भी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, so mutual funds in this flexi cap category they are doing this. So the benchmark of the fund is BSE 500 TRI. Okay, and this fund, the BSE 500 TRI basically covers all the stocks of this 500 stocks ka universe. So this is the benchmark for this fund, and the fund is being managed by Mr. Mayur Patel, and he has a vast experience of 18 years. He also manages IIFL का focused equity fund, which is now 361 focused equity fund, and this is the second fund which is managed by Mr. Mayur Patel, and this will be overlooked by Mr. Anup Maheshwari, who is the CIO of 361 mutual fund. So these two guys will be managing this fund, and they have a vast experience of managing this fund, and this is a very recently launched fund. This was launched in the month of June, and it is now open for subscription. So anyone who wants to participate or wants to invest in this category, they can do so. So this is all about 361 flexi cap fund. Now the suitability of the fund. ये किसके लिए suitable है? So people who have not invested in a flexi cap category, this is a new fund one can invest in this fund. Because if you see about the risk parameter, there are no risk parameters defined as of now because the vintage is hardly 1 month old. So आपको रिस्क पैरामीटर्स अब देखने नहीं मिलेंगे, बट इफ यू नो अबाउट द 361 AMCs और 361 के अदर इक्विटी मैनेज पोर्टफोलियो, दे हैव बीन रनिंग वेल एंड दिस विल आल्सो बी मैनेज्ड बाय देम. सो दिस विल आल्सो हैव अ good chances of making good returns. So after 1 year we will be having the risk parameters in place, so we will be able to judge it. But at this point of time, the NAV is in the range of 10 to 11 rupees. So if you not have invested in a flexi cap category, you can look into this fund. आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए, अगर आपके नीड्स, आपकी रिसर्च कीजिए, अगर आपको सुटेबल लगता है, then you can participate into this one. So thank you from my side. Signing off, Mahindra Rao.